for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. For today's video, I am bringing you guys a little bit of cleaning motivation. We are focusing on my kitchen and living room. My living room isn't too bad. I just kind of have to put things back in its place, but I hope that you guys enjoy it either way. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a whole lot of talking in this video. I haven't made up my mind yet, so we'll see as the video progresses. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will maybe talk to you guys in a bit.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's...
So I know that I have a couple of new subscribers, so I just quickly wanted to mention that I don't have a dishwasher, which is why I'm hand washing all of the dishes. And we are just going to move on to my favorite part, which is cleaning out my sink, and I am just using this Power Paste by Scrub Daddy.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. From the get-go, let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
So I was running low on my all-purpose cleaner, so I decided to make some more. I use this 5 Guards that is supposed to be a dupe for the Thieves cleaner. I can't really speak on it because I've never owned the Thieves one before, but from what I can see, the ingredients are pretty much spot on. So I am just going to go ahead and just make some all-purpose cleaner really quick. I'm adding 2 capfuls, and I'm also adding some essential oils just so it can smell a little bit more like fall, and just add some water, and then I'm good to go.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy.
So I'm quickly going to just spray my stove with this degreaser from Method, and while I let that sit, I'm just going to go ahead and move on to my dishes. I'm going to go ahead and dry them and then put them away.
But I forgive you, although you drive me crazy. I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still. You're a man.
We are almost done with the kitchen. All that's left is to sweep up and then give the floors a good mop.
Open up the window.
Alright, so I'm about to start mopping my floors and I'm going to use a steam mop. I'm using this distilled water. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but when I first purchased this mop, it specifically said to use this type of water, and I am here to tell you guys that it makes a world of a difference. I tried using just like filtered water and it took forever for my floors to dry. So if you guys have a steam mop, give it a try with this type of water. Thank me later. And I also showed you guys some essential oils. I like to add that to my floor and then steam mop it because it makes my whole house smell so good.
I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember.
Alright, so moving on over to my living room, I'm just quickly picking everything up off the floor. I'm just going to put the pillows back in its place. And I didn't get to vacuum this day, but I ended up doing it the next day since it was so late. I didn't want to wake up my son. And in a couple of seconds, you are going to see my daughter just randomly get up and dance. I kept hearing her say dance party, but I never paid attention to what she was actually doing when she said that until I saw the footage here. And I was cracking up. I thought it was the funniest thing ever.
Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are some are low, dancing through the last days of September.
So that box that you see there in my living room is pretty much all of the decorations that I'm going to be using to finish decorating the rest of my kitchen. So God willing, that's going to be the next video that I upload for you guys. So make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope that you got some type of motivation. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.
Since I was a little